guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Jennifer Chidera, and if you're a new subscriber, thank you for joining the family. I appreciate. And if you're an old subscriber, thank you for sticking with me. I really do appreciate it. Okay, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to add green screen effects and pictures to your videos. Okay, like my previous video over here, how I added pictures to it. I'm going to show you guys how I got that and achieved that, and also how I added subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, comment into my video. So I'm going to show you guys how to do all of that using the app called Capcut. I currently use Capcut to edit my videos on my phone, so I'm just going to show you guys how I did that. So please stick with me, okay? Right now I'm going to go into my phone.
Now I am in my phone, so I'm just going to open the Capcut app. I'm going to click on new project and then add the video I already have and I want to use for this particular video. So now I'm just going to go to overlay and then click on add overlay. I'm just going to use this green screen effect I have already downloaded. So I'm just going to add it to the video. So this is me just trying to adjust it to fit the video and where I want it to be. Now I'm just going to go into cutout and then click on chroma key. Then I'm just going to adjust this color picker to the left or right, anywhere you deem fit, and it's going to change to green. Now I'm just going to go to intensity, so we're just going to drag it to the highest, that's 100, and now this is the result. It just gives me everything I want. So now we're just going to try with another thing. We're going to use the picture instead. I'm just going to use the same format we used earlier. So we go on overlay, then add overlay, and then we pick the picture. I already went ahead to download the pictures, so we're just going to pick one of the pictures. So we're just going to try to fit it in our screen or where we want it to be. And now we're just going to go to cutout and then chroma key, and then make sure the chroma key turns green. And once it's turned green, you go to intensity and move it down to 100, and that's how I did it. So now we're just going to try another picture entirely. This one is going to be like subscribe button, the same process we did earlier, add overlay, cut out, then chroma key, and then intensity. Now with this one, maybe you don't want to, because you can see the white mouse, maybe you don't want it to to fade out a lot. You can try and adjust the intensity so it will just look real a little bit, like it doesn't look fake or anything like that, which I did here. Now I'm just going to try and fit the picture into my video. Now we're going to do a last one. This one has a white background, so we're going to take out the white background from the picture. Like I said earlier, I've already gone ahead to get these pictures right. So basically I'm just going to fit it into the screen the way I want it to be. Go back to my normal cutout. Okay, then click on chroma key and then intensity, right? Make sure it turns white, and then intensity, and move it down. So for the fact that this is white and we are trying to make sure that every single thing shows, we try to reduce it a little bit, maybe like 34, 15, like basically how you want it to be and how you want it to look, right? That's what you're just trying to do. So you're just going to try and make it really nice, and then this is me just placing it and making sure everything has come together. So now this is the end result of the video. I'm trying to adjust everything to fit my video.
Okay guys, so that was how I was able to achieve this and this in my previous video. So if you like this video, please and please again, please like, okay, share, comment, and subscribe. If you want more videos like this, please, I'm willing willing to do more videos like this. Thank you very much. See you in my next video. Bye.